the career opportunities like with Teradata, right? So the Teradata, the mission of Teradata databases are like that active data warehousing. Like if you see, there's we're actually having the sources and the databases and the number of users, the concurrent users, which are actually using this for the query reporting purpose. The decision making in a single centralized mission critical up to date version of the enterprise data. So this is very very important. Like what is a data warehouse, right? So obviously we have to take a strategic decision based on your up-to-date data, right? So that is more important because as a CEO or manager of a company, I would always see the data, key data, to take some valued decisions based on the data given by the enterprise system. So that is very very important to have the updated information in the database. So for example, if I wanted to launch a new product or new system or something like that in my current company, so what I have to do, I have to do the analysis of the existing systems in place. For example, if I want to launch a new product, right, so I have to go to the existing products and how they're actually being sold. So I have to analyze something based on the data available, right? So without that analysis, if I launch a new product, I'm not sure that going to be hit or fail, right? Because obviously there might be some, losses due to the existing product. Because sometimes, if you see, let's say, take a camera or, let's say some X company camera is there, and the people are actually not very much liking it, and we don't know that is there already a lot of stock in the inventory, but while taking the decision to launch a new similar product, and we have to see some kind of analysis saying that okay, the users might not be interested in this because of this user review comments and feedback. So these kind of data we have to take it consideration before launching a new product. Otherwise what happens is with the same without knowing the underlying root cause of the the systems in place, we actually go for a new product of the same kind. So again the company will be in loss, right? So that is what the strategic decisions are actually being taken for. And it is not only applicable to anything, retail or healthcare, banking, anything. The strategic decisions are very, very important to launch something or to do to make something profitable, right? So this is very, very important. That's why in today's world, data warehouse plays a bigger role in the market, because without data there is no company, right? Obviously. So and that's why the career opportunities will be also very high with respect to Teradata, because every company more or less uses any data warehouse, and most of the MNCs now they're going for Teradata because of the stability and the capabilities of the reporting and all the stuff. So it is very hot in the market at this place, and it can be combined with any ETL tools like Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio. So any database it can connect, and you can actually work to the backend as well. So Teradata, that's the reason Teradata actually have a lot of opportunities for the upcoming jobs in the market, and there are a lot of existing companies have this as a backend database. So I think if you learn Teradata at a very ground level and do practice, and make sure that in and around the SQL and the BTEC script, so it'll be good for you to get a job easily. So Teradata is very very helpful in real-time environment right now. So every company is going for this Teradata as a database. So this is the right time to grab this opportunity. So Teradata plays a major role in that. So that's about the career opportunities in Teradata.